What it takes to play this game, because I hustle every day. All this energy that I gave, yeah, because I hustle every day. Now I'm on my way.
Yo, what up? My name's Lolo. You know, I was born and raised in San Diego, California. Moved all around Cali my whole entire life. I lived in the Bay. Been in LA now 7 or 8 years. So Cali's always gonna be my home, no matter where I go.
Yo, my name is Crazy Lou, artist producer, born and raised in Los Angeles, California, LAC. Yeah, Cali all day, man.
This is why I'm hot. I never claim to be anything that I'm not, like these other whack MCs claiming they at the top.
You know, music for me really started probably back when I was like 16. I used to go to these parties and there'd be a bunch of people standing around in a circle freestyling, you know, going over rhymes they wrote and kicking stuff off the top. And it just really interested me. I got really intrigued by it, so I would go home and practice spitting on just random beats and write down my own stuff. Pretty soon I got real good, started battling people at parties, and yeah, from then on it was a wrap.
Because I hustle every day. Now I'm on my way.
What started me in music, man, was the fact that I was chilling with my homies, man. They had a little room, I'm gonna call it a studio, but a room with two turntables and a microphone, man. Record straight to tape, and man, I got it.
Yeah, they need that Crazy Lou ingredient. Yeah, so they better be expedient.
You know, I met Crazy Lou through family. I had actually heard some of his stuff beforehand. I knew how good he was at making music, at singing, at rapping. The dude could do it all. I remember I went and saw him open for De La Soul, and after that day I was like, man, I want to do this too. And sure enough, talked to Crazy and was like, yo, man, let me get on that mic. From then on, that's history.
I get respect without claiming any set. Yeah, we on the next step. Making history.
Met Lolo through a good friend of mine, his brother-in-law actually, my man Joey, and from there on, man, you know, I found out he could freestyle and do some things in hip-hop, man, and I know, man, God willing, man, all this came together, man. Cali.
Energy that I gave, yeah, because I hustle every day. Now I'm on my way, because I hustle every day.